Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cover about the Anthropic Cloud, why this AI is changing job, IT and the stock market. Simply, I'm going to explain this, or you can say I'm going to talk about it. So an AI that's quickly changing job, IT careers and even the stock market. But most people are not talking about it yet. So today we are talking about Anthropic Cloud and why this AI is becoming a game changer. So if you're interested in AI, IT careers, automation, and future tech, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay till the end because the last part is the most important part of this video. So first, let's little bit understand in a very simple way that what is Anthropic Cloud. So cloud is an AI assistant just like your ChatGPT or your Copilot. But cloud is designed mainly for business and enterprises. It can read long documents, write and review code, analyze data, answer business questions, help companies make decisions. But what makes cloud special is how it thinks. Okay. So, like you also give some prompts to ChatGPT, you get the response. But if you have an AI agent, assistant, you can say, so it take the actions, whatever your goal is there. So it takes the action accordingly. So that is your AI assistance does. But the main part of this Claude especially is how it thinks or how it is taking the actions. Why cloud is different? So let's understand this. So most AI tools are trained to be fast and powerful, but Claude is trained to be safer, more control form, more reliable for companies, and Anthropic calls this idea constitutional AI. It means that it has certain sort of the rule based. In simple words, we can understand this by like cloud follows rules like a constitution. So companies trust it more because if you are a company, you are an organization, you set sort of rules, it will follow that rules in a constitutional way. So that's why it is more trustworthy for organizations and for any of the companies. Let's understand the another thing is like how cloud is changing jobs. So now let's talk about the big question. Is cloud taking jobs? To be very honest, it's not replacing people. It's replacing repetitive tasks. Okay. So cloud can already do tasks like writing emails and reports, customer support, replies, content writing, code review, test case creation, data analysis, so on. And there are called some roles like content writers, manual testers, junior developers, support executives. So are changing very fast. The rule is simple. People who use AI will grow. People who ignore AI will struggle. So what do you have to do? You have to enable yourself towards the learning phase. You have to adopt the new technology. You have to start learning there. Otherwise, you will going to struggle a lot. Because now in AI world, we have AI agents. It is doing most of the work. But this is mostly focused on the repetitive task. Now, understand that how cloud is changing the IT industry. So in IT, cloud is extremely powerful. It helps developers and testers understand old code, debug faster, write test cases, explain API, and design solutions. So one engineer today can do the work of two or three people. So that means a smaller team, higher productivity, more focus on thinking, not typing. IT job are shifting from doing tasks to solving problems. So you have to think like that. That if you have a certain problem, then how you can solve that problem. Your thinking should be like that. Your mindset should be changing towards the problem solving side. Now, now let's understand that how this cloud is impacting the stock market. So this part is really very interesting. Companies using AI like Claude reduce cost, increase productivity, scale faster, make better decision. So investors sees more profit potential, better efficiency, faster growth. That's why AI focused companies, slow adopters, traditional service only models are under pressure. AI is no longer just tech, it's a business advantage. So, why big companies prefer Claude? Many enterprises prefer Claude because it handles very large document, it gives safer answer, it's better for legal and finance uses, less risk of wrong or harmful output, and that's why law firms, finance companies, and large enterprises are testing cloud heavily. So let me say this clearly that or AI like Claude will not replace you, but someone using AI will. Okay, understand this. Like AI like Claude will not going to replace you, but someone using that AI will going to replace you for sure. So the future belongs to people who learn faster, adopt faster, use AI as a tool, not fear it. So you do not have a fear of using AI. You have to use AI every day in your daily basis or daily task, small tasks. Try to create some small projects. Try to understand. Try to give the prompts to get the answers of it. So make yourself in an adoptable approach and solution oriented approach. If you want more videos on cloud versus ChatGPT, AI for QA and automation skills to survive AI future IT jobs, so comment below and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in the next video.